Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a flavorful tomato peanut chutney that pairs wonderfully well with rice, and you can also enjoy this with idlis and dosas. Now this chutney is a great way to break the daily routine of cooking rasam and sambar. And if you want to make something really easy and with a burst of flavors, this is a perfect chutney you must try. Let's get started and check it out.
Take a white pan and add a teaspoon of oil. To this, add 1 cup of raw peanuts. Keep the flame on medium and roast the peanuts until they are slightly browned. At this point, add 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and roast again. Maintain the flame on medium and keep roasting until the peanuts are golden brown in color. Once done roasting, turn off the heat and cool down the ingredients. Now to the same pan, add 2 more teaspoons of oil and add 2 roughly cut up medium-sized tomatoes. Next, add 6 garlic cloves, 3 roughly cut up green chilies, 6 to 7 tamarind bits and mix well. You can increase the flame to a high and cook the tomatoes. After about 2 to 3 minutes, add about 1 teaspoon of rock salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well and cook until the excess moisture has gone. Once the tomatoes are nicely softened, turn off the heat and transfer the ingredients to a plate. Let them cool down completely. Now to a mixer jar, add the roasted peanuts, cumin seeds and coriander seeds. Grind them to a nice fine powder without adding any water. Now transfer the tomatoes to the jar and grind once again until it is all blended with the peanut mixture. Lastly, add finely chopped onions as per your taste and pulse it for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. You can put this mixture aside and prepare the tempering. To a tempering pan, add oil and heat it. Once the oil is hot enough, add urud dal, mustard seeds and saute. After the mustard seed starts splattering, add half teaspoon hing, 1 roughly cut up red chilli. Turn off the heat and add a few curry leaves. Now transfer the tempered ingredients to the chutney. That's it. Our peanut pachadi or chutney is ready to be served nice and hot. You can enjoy it with some hot steaming rice and ghee. You can store this for up to 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator and enjoy it whenever you like. This goes not only well with rice, but you can enjoy this with idli, dosa, vada, upma and even chapatis.
Well, that tomato peanut chutney with that hot steaming rice and ghee was just divine, let me tell you. It's so easy and simple to make, and it's got that right balance of saltiness, spiciness and tanginess to it. I'm sure everybody will absolutely enjoy this. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.